In recent years, cryptocurrency has emerged as a viable investment option, offering a new way for people to build wealth. However, many people are still unaware of the potential of crypto to create generational wealth. In this article, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use crypto, specifically Stellar Lumens, to establish generational wealth. Creating generational wealth with crypto in 7 steps, a step-by-step guide using Stellar Lumens. Part 1. Step 1. Research and understand crypto. The first step in using crypto to create generational wealth is to research and understand the basics of cryptocurrency. This includes understanding the technology behind it, how it works, and the various types of crypto available. It's also essential to understand the risks involved in investing in crypto and the potential rewards. Some great resources for research include blogs, podcasts, and online forums. Step 2. Set investment goals. The next step is to set your investment goals. This includes determining your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your investment time horizon. Having a clear understanding of your investment goals will help you make informed investment decisions and avoid making emotional decisions that could negatively impact your investments. Step 3. Choose a crypto to invest in. Once you have a clear understanding of cryptocurrency and your investment goals, the next step is to choose a crypto to invest in. In this guide, we will focus on Stellar Lumens, a popular crypto that has shown great potential for long-term growth. However, it's important to note that this is not investment advice, and you should conduct your research before investing in any crypto. Step 4. Buy Stellar Lumens. After choosing Stellar Lumens, the next step is to buy the crypto. There are several platforms to buy XLM, including exchanges like Coinbase and Binance US. It's important to choose a reputable exchange and understand the fees associated with buying and selling XLM. Step 5. Store Stellar Lumens. Once you have bought Stellar Lumens, you need to store them in a secure wallet. There are several options for storing XLM, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are generally considered the safest option as they are not connected to the internet, making them less susceptible to hacking attempts. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your investment. After buying and storing your Stellar Lumens, it's important to monitor your investment regularly. This includes tracking the price of XLM, as well as any news or developments in the crypto market that could impact its value. It's also essential to adjust your investment strategy as needed to meet your investment goals. Step 7. Pass on wealth to future generations. The final step in creating generational wealth with Stellar Lumens is to pass on your investments to future generations. This can be done through estate planning, creating trusts, or setting up accounts in the name of your children or grandchildren. By passing on your investments to future generations, you can ensure that your wealth continues to grow and benefit your family for years to come. Disclosure: I am a Coinbase user, and I have a referral code that gives both you and me $10 in Bitcoin when you sign up using my link and invest $100 or more. Please note that this offer is subject to Coinbase's terms and conditions, and I may receive a commission for referring you. This offer is valid only for new Coinbase users who have not previously registered with Coinbase. Please make sure to read Coinbase's terms of service and privacy policy before signing up. This offer is compliant with all applicable U.S. laws. Using crypto, specifically Stellar Lumens, can be an excellent way to create generational wealth. By following these 7 steps, you can make informed investment decisions and create a lasting legacy for your family. However, it's essential to remember that investing in cryptocurrency carries risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose.